So here's the deal. Everyone these days says you can make money online. They talk about how their cousins, 13-year-old Chihuahua was able to quit his day job, drive a Lamborghini and wear flip-flops forever because he started dropshipping. But no one actually tells you how to do it. Or they give you tips that worked in 2018 but not in 2025. So today, I am cutting through all the BS. I'm breaking down 7 ways to make money online that are working right now. Right now, as in today. And let me tell you, some of them might surprise you. I am talking about actual methods you can start implementing today, whether you got 5 minutes or 5 hours to spare. So if you're ready to turn your laptop into a money-making machine, let's dive in. Number 1. Become an AI-powered wizard. Forget trying to compete with AI. It's smarter than us humans, so why even try? Instead, use it as your secret weapon to level up your freelancing game. For example, let's say you're good at writing. You can offer your services as a content writer, but use AI to draft articles twice as fast. This means you can take on more clients, deliver projects quicker, and earn more money. Plus, AI helps you craft super targeted ad copy that converts like crazy. Imagine sitting on beaches in Bali while your laptop brings in the bacon. That's the dream, right? ChatGPT can help you write those social media posts that keep your audience engaged, asking for scripts for your YouTube videos. Basically, think about all the things that would save you time in your freelance work, and guess what? AI can help with almost all of them. This gives you more time to do the things that only humans can do right now and makes you more money. See how that works. Number 2. Master the art of faceless YouTube automation. Now this one might sound strange, but hear me out. With faceless YouTube automation, you can earn money from YouTube without showing your face. Yes, you heard me right. No more worries about being camera shy or investing in expensive gear. Just imagine waking up to a notification that you've earned $1,000 from your channel while sipping coffee in your pajamas. It's a dream come true, and the best part, it's easier than ever thanks to AI. Here's how it works. First, pick a niche for your channel. It could be anything from finance to history or tech. Next, use stock footage and royalty-free music to create your videos. You can find all sorts of platforms offering this kind of content for free. Use AI tools to generate voiceovers. They sound surprisingly natural nowadays. And lastly, add in text and graphics to engage your audience. AI can help you with that too. Once your video is done, upload it to YouTube and repeat the process. And here's the magic. When your video gets enough views, you'll earn ad revenue. Plus, you can score sponsorships from brands. In the beginning, it'll take some time to find your groove and pump out quality videos. But trust me, the results are worth it. This is the future of content creation, and you should be a part of it. Number 3. Unleash your inner entrepreneur with digital products. I know. You've probably heard folks talking about digital products like ebooks, online courses, and whatnot. But let me tell you something. There's a reason why everyone keeps mentioning them. It's because they work. Think about it. You create the product once, like a super cool ebook on, say, growing taller or learning to code, and it sells over and over again. You don't need to ship anything or worry about inventory. It's like having a never-ending lemonade stand, but online and with way better profit margins. And the best part, it is easier than ever to create digital products with AI, helping you design everything from the layout to the content. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad are great places to start selling your stuff. Who knows, maybe you'll be the next big thing in digital product sales. Number 4. Become a remote customer service superhero. Did you know that companies worldwide are on the hunt for people like you and me to handle customer service via chat or email? Yep, you heard me right. You don't need any fancy skills or qualifications. All you need is a knack for communication and problem solving, which I'm guessing you've got in spades. Plus, you can work from the comfort of your own home in your jammies. It's like being a superhero with superpowers, except instead of saving the world, you're saving customers from technical glitches or answering questions about shipping. Not exactly fighting crime, but hey, someone's got to do it. And you can do it from anywhere on Earth, making it a perfect side hustle for adventurers or nomads. Not bad, huh? Number 5. Tap into the untapped potential of AI-generated stock content. Did you know that you can make money by creating content like images, music, or even short videos and selling them on stock platforms? It's like being an artist, a musician, and a filmmaker all rolled into one. And guess what? AI is here to make your life easier. With AI tools, you can generate high-quality content without having to spend hours on end crafting everything from scratch. Just think about it. You create a piece of art once and sell it over and over again. It's like having a money-making machine that works while you sleep. And the best part, you can do it from anywhere in the world. With platforms like Shutterstock and Pond5, you can set your prices or leave it up to the platform. As people download your content, you earn royalties. So if you're feeling creative and looking for a way to make passive income, this might just be the side hustle for you. 6. Become an affiliate superstar. Okay, So you've probably heard the term affiliate marketing thrown around a lot, but let me break it down for you. Affiliate marketing is like being a salesperson, but for the internet age. You promote products through social media, blogs, or YouTube, and earn a commission on every sale you drive. But here's the twist. You don't need to create the product yourself or handle any shipping or customer service. You're basically a middleman connecting people to the products they want and earning a little something on the side. The coolest part, you can promote products you genuinely love. It's like sharing a cool gadget you found with your friends and getting paid for it. And guess what? Affiliate marketing is easier than ever, thanks to AI tools that help you craft killer ads and track your results. So if you're a social butterfly who loves to share the cool stuff, this might be the perfect side hustle for you. Number 7. Share your wisdom and earn big bucks with online consulting or coaching. Last but certainly not least, you can leverage your expertise and turn it into cold hard cash. Whether you're a business guru, a fitness fanatic, a career coach, or even a hobbyist, you can connect with people through Zoom calls and share your wisdom. It's like being a teacher, but for the digital age, and you get to set your rates. This side hustle is perfect for those who love to share their knowledge and help others level up. And guess what? It's easier than ever thanks to AI tools that help you schedule calls and manage your clients. So if you've got something you're passionate about, why not get paid to share it? And here's the bonus tip that'll make all the difference. Don't limit yourself to just one method. Mix and match 2 or 3 of these side hustles and watch your income grow faster than ever. It's like having multiple streams of income, which means you'll be more resilient to any unexpected changes. So why wait? Start your journey towards financial freedom today. And who knows, maybe one day soon you'll be able to quit your day job and do whatever you want. So go ahead, take that leap of faith and embrace the exciting world of online side hustles. Trust me, the sooner you start, the sooner you'll get there.